Hello everyone. Let us see question number 36, which carries 3 marks. In that, A, grass, frog, snake. If the amount of energy in the first trophic level of this food chain is about 100 joule, what is the amount of energy in the organism at the third trophic levels? This is first trophic level, this frog is second trophic level, and the snake is third trophic level. ಇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 joule energy available ಇದೆ. You know that when we go from one trophic level to another trophic level, only 10% of energy is available or transferred. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 joule ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಫಾರ್ 100 it is 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರೋದೆಷ್ಟು? 100 joule. 100 joule. Therefore it is 100 ones are 100 ones are 10 joule available for second trophic level. Only 10 joule is available. ಈಗ 10 joule in the third trophic level ಹೋದಾಗ again 10% only transferred. So 100 for 100 10% is transferred. Therefore for 10 joule it will be 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are 10 ones are 1 joule. Only 1 joule is available for snake, that is third trophic level. The correct answer is 1 joule. According to 10% law, only 10% of energy will move to next trophic level. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Here only 1 joule is available when there is 100 joule is available in first trophic level, then only 1 joule is available in third trophic level. Thank you.